Hello friends, welcome back to Ulink's gardening channel. In this video, I'm going to share some tips relating to the purple waffle plant. The purple waffle plant, it is clear that the color of the plant is purple and that produce the rich purple tinted foliage with a crinkly look similar to the texture of a waffle. Actually, the waffle plant have so many benefits, and the main benefits is that is using as a air cleanser that removes the volatile organic compound from the air surrounding it. Actually, in this video I am going to give you a small explanation about how to grow the cuttings of purple waffle plant. You need to take the proper cuttings with roots as like seeing the video. If the cutting is containing some of roots, which is good for the growth, because if the root already formed, this is very benefits to grow the plant faster. Take an appropriate pot. I suggest a medium sized pot, that is good, and make a potting mix with cocoa peat and soil. Take a small amount of cocoa peat and large amount of soil. Actually, I forgot to tell you something about the potting. You need to place some of the pebbles inside the pot, which is good for the drainage of the excess water. And actually, I would like to share the caring of your purple waffle plant also. For purple waffle plant, the light should be bright indirect light, but not direct sun. In less light, it may lose some of the rich purple color. And other thing is watering. Your purple waffle prefers consistently moist soil. Allow the water to flow freely from the drainage hole on the bottom of the pot. Always empty the sucker of any water. Purple waffle does not like its root to be sitting in water. The humidity. Your purple waffle love to be misted. Feel free to do this daily, especially in the winter when an air is very dry. Not only does misting provide humidity, it also keeps pests away. About the temperature. Your purple waffle plant can grow in temperature between 55 to 80 degrees Celsius, but they do prefer a consistent temperature. And the next one is fertilizer. Fertilize your purple waffle once a month in the spring and summer with a general indoor plant fertilized, diluted to half the recommended strength. No need to feed in the fall or winter when the plant grow naturally slow. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe and share.